Peace. This is King Noble Black Supremacy, and with this particular video I want to talk about taking on or merging with the permanent and indestructible nature of nothingness. Nothingness is indestructible. It's the only thing in the universe that is indestructible. Nothingness. Some may refer to it as dark matter, carbon, melanin, even ether. With this video, I'm asking you to merge with that nothingness. That nothingness, or that darkness, lives inside of you, in you and as you. That nothingness is who you really are and are not. That nothingness is your personality. No one to be destroyed, tampered with, or touched, moved, or stirred. That nothingness is permanent and indestructible, timeless and beyond space. You can find it within yourself through meditation. That nothingness is the outermost boundaries of the universe that you can travel to from within inside of yourself. So you can travel the universe beyond the galaxies, the cosmos, the planets, the solar systems. You can go beyond all of that into nothingness. And you can also go beyond time, before the beginning began, before thought, perception, before any paradigm, before all questions and all answer, before motion and movement, where all motion, movement, time and space must return to that nothingness, because it is the permanent state and it is completely indestructible. Beyond ego. The ego reacts to the illusion of something, to the Maya, the matrix, the material world. The ego was born in reaction to that, and it fights to exist. It fights within the realm of the illusion, the realm of material. It fights from inside of that realm. When you return to nothingness, the fight is over with. The cause and the effect is over with. There is no more karma or dharma. There is neither. Take on the indestructible nature of nothingness, nobodiness. That's where your freedom lies, within your inner consciousness. You want freedom? Become one with the nothingness. Find yourself there. Lose yourself there. Neither lose nor find there. You are totally free. When you go into this nothingness, this quality or this essence that is indestructible You will bring residues of that into the material world. You'll bring it back with you into the material world, the quality, the composure of that which has known, tasted, touched, and felt, and merged with the indestructible. And the indestructible and permanent nature of nothingness dissolves the matrix, dissolves the illusions. It ends the rat race. The wheel stops. The illusions are no more. It is nothingness that is the annihilator of all of that which is matrix. That which you fear, the worries, the contradictions, the afflictions, the need for conviction. The nothingness frees you from it all. The ego is temporary. These experiences are temporary. All truths here are but half-truths. Nothingness is the ultimate reality. The beginning, that which is in between everything, and that which is the end. Nothingness. Visit it. Go back there. Nothingness is home. It is your true self. We have got caught up into this realm, this material illusion, this circus, these tapes, these ideas, these constructs, these thoughts. Go before thought. The nothingness is power. We want to be something, somebody. We fight for it. We represent it. Nothingness is power. Permeating, invading, inexhaustible. Take on that nature of nothingness. The ultimate power. The ultimate realization.